Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick live video. A quick live video. I wanted to do a quick live video. I told you guys I was going to do more live videos, so hello, here. I'm here for it. That's what I'm going to do. As you guys hop on this video, say hi so I can send you some love. Brian, love your guts. I was like, hey Darby, what's up? I was like, I talked myself out of doing live videos because I'm like, oh, I look like a total bum. Oh, I'm momming so hard right now. Say hi. But you know what? That's pretty relatable, don't you think? Momming so hard and looking like a bum. Whatever. You guys don't care. You guys don't care. Well, thanks, Taylor. Hey, Alexis. What's up, booze? You're adorable. So if this is your first live video you've ever been on of mine, I snapped my fingers and she got a little scared. I'm like on my tippy toes so you guys can see her. If this is your first live video you've ever been on of mine, comment a 1 or new in the comments. Looking like a bum too. Oh, good. Good, Mary. You feel me. How many of you have ever looked like a bum because mom life? Hashtag mom life in the comments. Hashtag mom life if you feel me. Hi. Oh, Alexis, you go do work, boo. I'm glad you came on. If you have been on one of my live videos before, comment a 2. How about that? Hashtag mom life. That's right. You get me. I know you guys get me. I know there's more than one hashtag mom life who understands. Can you guys see her? Should I move the camera a little bit? Let's see. A little better? I always say hi. Oh, Danielle, you're new. I'm so happy that you're here. Yeah, comment, you guys. Let me know. So, okay. I wanted to go through with you really quick. Me and Iris are going to educate your butts. Oh my God, I almost just swore at you. What an awful mom award I would get. Every single day. Yes, hashtag mom life. Hashtag mom life. Thanks, guys. I like her. I do like her. I think she's pretty cute. And we have to do it quick too because she needs to go to bed soon. Are you going to help me teach? Are you going to help me teach Iris? Say hi. Say hi. So I can't tell you how many times as a trainer nutritionist I have had people come to me, hey, what's up, Matt? I can't tell you how many times I've had people come to me and ask, are supplements a waste of time? Are supplements a waste of money? How do you tell what a good supplement is? So I'm going to quickly answer these questions, okay, because I do have opinions. You're bumming too, Danielle. I feel you. Really, really, really quickly. Have you guys ever wondered that, though? Have you guys ever been sold something that you're like, but this kind of sucks, though? Like, it didn't really do anything. Obviously, you guys know I lost 155 pounds. I am not about, oh, how about just take this and everything is going to magically happen for you. I'm not about that. I will never promote that. What's up, Kelly? Never, 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 never. Right. Why? Because you have to do the work too. But my opinions on supplements are, if it's a quality supplement, if there's good ingredients, if I'm going to tell you a few things I look for in supplements, if it meets all these check marks, okay, then supplementing with a good supplement, I'm like shaking Iris, supplementing with a quality supplement makes it so you're working smarter and not harder, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. So I do think, unfortunately, there's a lot of really bad supplements out there, which is a really hardcore bummer. Especially, I mean, if you're getting something that's a health product in a store or online or from a friend or wherever, you're just believing it's going to be healthy because it's a health product. And unfortunately, it's not always the case. Hey, Robin. Hey, Lindy. What's up, you guys? So, if you guys have ever tried supplements before, drop like a pills in the comments. How about that? But so, do some likes and hearts. Let me know. If you want reviews of specific supplements, let me know. Yes, girl. Preach. So here's what you want to look for in the supplement if you are interested in working smarter, not harder, right? If you want to reach your health goals, but you want a little boost. Pills. Yes, Mary. So here's what you want to find. You want it to be bioavailable, okay? What does that mean? That means that your body can actually absorb and process what's in it, along with being water soluble. Why? Because we are, as human beings, I can't wait for you to get your order either. Yeah, Matt's in the background. We are, as human beings, mostly made up of water, right? So if a vitamin or a supplement is not water soluble, it can't break down in water. Like if you put it in a glass of water, here's how you can test one of your supplements. Go grab a glass of water, throw it in there. If several hours later it's still not very broken down, not a good vitamin or supplement because it's not going to break down in your body well. So what does that mean? Your body can't utilize what's in it, right? You want it to be bioavailable. You want it to be water soluble. You want it to be comprised of mostly whole foods because that's what our body can absorb and process, right? Hey, Jessica Long. Iris, say hi. Say hi. Hello. I give her voices. Sometimes she's Southern. Hello. But no, that's not Southern. Retract. I retract that. I don't even think I can do it. It's too much pressure. Okay. Anyway. So you want it to be bioavailable, water soluble. You want there to be no Frankenstein ingredients, right? You don't want there to be a bunch of long words you can't pronounce. You don't want it to be synthetic. So there's a huge difference between a naturally occurring version of a vitamin or mineral and a synthetic version of a vitamin or mineral. You don't want the synthetic or lab-made version because you know what happens, you guys? You have expensive pee, right? If you're using a vitamin or supplement that has synthetic ingredients, lab-made vitamin C, lab-made, etc., then you're going to have expensive pee. Or if you're using a store-bought brand, Centrum, or I don't know, one of those ones, I hope I don't get sued or anything, then it's cheap pee. But your body's going to pee it out because you can't even process it, right? Haley, Daniel, what's up? Comment your favorite emojis, guys. So that's what you want to look for. You also want to look for no artificial sweeteners, okay? They're carcinogens. No artificial dyes, right? Yeah, she's teething a little bit, you guys. She's teething. Hi, Chels. Hey, Allison. And if it sounds like it's too good to be true, it probably is. It might be, right? You guys, there isn't anything you can do that's going to do the work for you. So if it's advertising that's going to do the work for you, probably hard pass. 0 out of 10 would recommend. That's my belief. As a trainer, as a nutritionist, I'm very picky about ingredients. I'm very picky about like the effectiveness, everything, all of it. I'm a snob about it. But I want you guys to understand that if you're buying this crap, which exists out there, you're not going to see the results you want to. That doesn't mean that all supplements suck. It means that unfortunately a lot of them do. But you just have to do your due diligence. You have to do your own research. Like I said, if you want any reviews on anything, just let me know. Hey, Haley. So, guys, I'm going to unbox some exciting things. Okay? What am I doing with my voice today? Help me. Oh gosh, you guys. So this box came in the mail and I'm very excited about it. Hey, Rachel. Comment your favorite emojis. I want to see them. You know what my favorite emoji is? That girl that puts her hands over her head. She's so excited all the time. All right, so you guys, I got some stuff in the mail. I'm going to tell you about it. These are what I would consider very high quality supplements. Very, very, very high quality. Y'all know I'm a snob. I have a research personality. I can't handle the crap. But anyway, I'm going to walk through a little bit what they are and why I'm so excited about them. I have actually used some of them already, but so this, Iris, what is it? This is something I posted about yesterday that if you guys end up being like, ooh, I want that, go comment because I'm giving some away for free. So this is one of the things I'm most excited about. Are you guys coffee drinkers? Comment coffee cups in the comments if you are coffee drinkers. I'm not a coffee drinker, okay? I'm straight up not. I feel like I've had a lot of shade thrown my way in my life over this fact, but I'm not a coffee drinker. If you are a coffee drinker, comment a coffee cup. And I get it. Like, I understand. It gives you energy. It gives you all the things. Like, for me, I get like a spike and a crash typically when I drink coffee. So I can't do it, right? I can't. Hey, Chelsea. Hey, Elaine. But this, you guys, this coffee, I enjoy coffee for the first time in my life. Do you want to hear why it's amazing? You want to hear it? You want to hear it? 10 out of 10 would recommend because it has collagen in it. So how many of you have ever heard about collagen? How many of you have heard about collagen? Drop this girl in the comments. So collagen is something that there have been a ton of more recent studies about. It has to be a specific form of collagen in order for it to even work in your body. But what it does is collagen makes up the protein in our muscles, in our skin, in our nails, in our hair. I believe it's when we turn 25, every year after that, it decreases by 1%. That's why we have, wrinkles popping up. That's why we start to have muscle degradation. That's why our metabolism slows down. Flippy hair. Yes, Mary. That's why we start to have more joint pain, because as we lose that collagen as we get older, right, we have all those things happen as a side order. Yes, Sue, yes, you did. So this coffee has collagen in it, okay? It has MCTs in it, strand 8 MCTs, which is the hardest to find. So for all the keto people, no hate, no judgment. I'm not a keto person, but I support whatever your decisions are. So it has MCT oil in it, right? It also has, hey Rich, what's up? It also has a tetra blend that has been proven. She's like, Mom, why are you yelling in my face, in my ear? No, she's so chill because she's so used to me yelling that she's just like, this is her happy place, right? But it also has a tetra blend, which has literally been scientifically proven to improve memory, right? To improve, hey girl, hey, what's up? Oh, squirrels, guys, squirrels. To improve and decrease, right? Like the aging that happens in our brain, to improve our focus, right? It's basically, it's smart coffee, smart, skinny, age backwards coffee because of the benefits of collagen. So I actually love this, and I hate coffee, and it doesn't cause like a spike and crash. So I'm pretty obsessed with it. Another thing, this is actually a creamer that goes with it that's also keto friendly. Is anyone doing keto? Comment like bacon in the comments if you're doing keto. But this is a creamer that can go in it that has more collagen, so an extra dose of collagen. Is also keto friendly. It has grass-fed butters, medium chain triglycerides, so it's a really good one too. More coffee, more coffee. Oh my gosh, you guys, I should post my recipe of what I made earlier. My coffee protein shake. Hey Beth. Yeah, she is chewing on her fingers like crazy. I really do think she's teething, you guys. Okay, then this is another product I'm super stoked on Life about. And this is a product that you basically actually have it, the rest of it mixed up here, okay? It has electrolytes. It has this amazing, like a bunch of C-trace minerals, but it has an amazing ingredient called Shilajit, which, say that, Shilajit, say it out loud. That's just fun to say, right? Shilajit. That improves energy. It's also really good if you work out. It improves your brain function, has all the good things, minerals, vitamins, electrolytes, and I love it. It kind of reminds me of like Crystal Light, but better. So I'm a fan of that one. I'm a fan. Oh my gosh. Oh, Matt, will you get me the other thing out of the fridge? Oh, yeah. And then this is another amazing product. Oh, Jessica, I can give you some more information if you want, but these are just my personal picks that I'm really excited about, okay? These are these little packets, right? Let me show you. See that? Little packets. You pour it in your mouth at night. It helps you sleep better. Does anyone like Fun Dip candies? Like, has anyone ever had Fun Dips? Am I the only weird person that loved the Fun Dips and like pour the powder in my mouth when I was younger? Comment candy if you liked Fun Dips. But anyway, so you pour it in your mouth at night and it helps you sleep better. And it helps with your skin. And it helps with your gut health. Nope, it's not Herbalife. Nope. No judgment though. No judgment. And it helps with being happier. Does anyone know anything about gut health? Did you give it a little thing? You want to say hi, Matt?
Hello.
What's up? Hey, guys. But so gut health, 75% of the serotonin in your body, right, which is what makes you happy, that's actually produced in your gut. So if your gut health is out of balance, you're going to have digestive issues, right? You're going to have a hard time being happy. You're going to have chemical imbalances in your brain. So getting your gut health in check is really important. So that's what these little Fun Dip tasting packets help with, and I'm obsessed. Like, literally obsessed. Oh, she dropped her strawberry. But so, you guys, I just want you to know, if you're in the market, if you're looking for supplements, if you're trying to get healthier, first of all, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to give you information. I'd love to review anything that you're taking or whatever else. I do programs for people. I do a lot of one-on-one coaching. But make sure you know what you are looking for in a supplement so that you can't be sold crap, right? For sure, Jessica, I'll message you. Make sure you find one that's bioavailable, water soluble, no Frankenstein ingredients, no long words that you're like, what is that? If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, right? No synthetic versions of vitamins, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors. Does that make sense? Is that helpful? What do you guys think? Should we go is it time for Iris to take a nap now? What do you think? But you guys, I'm legitimately so excited about these products that I can't even. Like collagen, if you have a good form of collagen, which this form, well, loving all the hearts, whoever just did all that, I love you. I love you. By the way, share this video because I'm doing a giveaway. Anyone that shares this video, you're going to be entered to win a workout plan and nutrition plan from me. I just went off Facebook for a second. I'm surprised it's still on. But anyways, yeah, share this video, comment shared in the comments, and you'll be entered to win a free nutrition plan or a free personalized workout plan. And I don't just say, oh, eat chicken and broccoli. I'll never do that. So anyway, oh, did I scare you, child? Did I scare you? She like headbutted me so hard. Thanks for sharing, Amber. And I'll give you guys shout outs too. By the way, if you watch the replay, comment replay. Hi, Corinne. But so anyway, I don't know what I was talking about because squirrels, it's over. But I love you guys. I hope you know what to look for a little bit more now for supplements and with regard to getting healthier and what to run away from, what to be like, bye. Thanks for sharing, Victoria. I appreciate you lots. And if you guys share after I post this also, I will try and give you a shout out also, and I will enter you in the drawing for sure. So you guys, do you feel a little bit more educated? At least you got to see some cuteness, even if I was like so annoying. Who cares? I don't care. Can't be everyone's cup of tea. I would rather be one person's shot of tequila, right?
Holla.
What's your favorite alcohol? What's your guys' favorite alcohol? Okay, this went downhill. This is no longer a health broadcast.
It's okay.
We're gonna go. She's mad. Say bye. Bye. He got her to smile.
2 seconds.
Ashley, I will reach out to you. I love you guys, and I will talk to you all soon. Gonna help all the people get healthy. All right, watch the replay, guys. Bye.